Afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the second session of the week, second expiry of the week. I hope you all can hear me and see me. Yes. Okay, great. Thanks for the confirmation. Just give me a minute. Not visible. I guess अब मैं clearly visible होना चाहिए हूँ. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I can see Nikunja has also joined. Let me add him to the stage. हमारा मॉर्निंग सेशन वाज प्रॉफिटेबल. यस्टरडे आफ्टरनून सेशन वाज प्रॉफिटेबल. उससे पहले जो हमारा कल का मॉर्निंग सेशन था उसमें हमारा निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स वाज प्रॉफिटेबल एंड हमारा एक ट्रेड वाज इन लॉस. ये सपाजी हमारा इंट्राडे इज प्रॉफिटेबल. सुबह जो हमने दिया था उसके टारगेट्स ऑलरेडी अचीव हो गए हैं. निकुंज सर, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, Sanuj. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, but you're not visible.
Yeah, I just set up in 1 minute.
Sure, you can take a minute or so to set up. Till then, I guess we can do the introductions. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anuj Sharma. I am the community manager at Motilal Oswal. Welcome to the FINNifty Expiry with our expert, Mr. Nikunj Patwa. Last week, हमारा थोड़ा सा was not in favor. We had sessions and losses and no trades. I totally understand, but it's stock market. You need to look at the overall picture, not just few sessions. Because at the end, if you attend all the sessions and trade, then you would end up in profits. Last week, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि we had many sessions in loss, but this week we have started in positive. Yesterday our expiry was in profit. Our today's morning session was in profit. Let's hope कि हमारा ये session भी profit में ही हो. This is what we are aiming for. And जैसा कि मैं हर बार बताता हूँ, the morning session focuses more around equity and stocks, and afternoon session focuses more around derivatives. So please ensure कि you ask your questions, but हमारा जो focus होगा major derivatives के around होगा. तो if we have some time, then we'll take up some stock queries. Welcome Nikunj sir. Handing it over to you. You can unmute, you can turn on your camera, and we are good to go.
My voice is audible, right?
Yes, sir. You are audible. You are visible.
Perfect. So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the weekly expiry of FINNifty, which is the Nifty Financial Index. So, बात करते पहले निफ्टी से. निफ्टी has relatively underperformed the other markets or other indices like BankNifty. निफ्टी आज negative trade कर रहा है almost by 0.25%, wherein it is holding 25,000, but ऊपर से थोड़ा सा corrective move आया है. It is facing some resistance near the 20-day exponential moving average on the daily scale. But and more importantly, for Nifty 25,200 is a big level wherein अगर 25,200 के ऊपर close हो जाता है तो एक we can say that it has bottom out and we can head towards 25,600 and 25,800 on the higher side. But नीचे में 24,700 और 800 एक strong base भी बन रहा है. तो फिलहाल it's a range bound view in Nifty. Bank Nifty, as I've just said, that it has outperformed, and कल एक sharp uptick almost 500-600 पॉइंट की रैली के बाद आज थोड़ा सा कंसोलिडेटिव मूव है. ऊपर से थोड़ा सा एक हर्डल फेस किया था, बट नियर 52,000 ऑड जोन्स, बट नीचे से वापस सपोर्ट बेस्ड बाइंग कंटिन्यू रही है इन बैंक निफ्टी एज वेल. सो एंड मेनली आज का इंडेक्स अप मूव इज लेड बाय HDFC Bank to a certain extent and ICICI Bank, which has outperformed the other private major banks. So बैंक निफ्टी 51,500 51,200 के ऊपर है. जब तक है ऊपर में 52,300 and 52,500 are expected on the higher side going forward. Bank Nifty is well better placed than Nifty as of now, as things stand. निफ्टी फिनेंस जो FINNifty है जिसकी आज एक्सपायरी है उसके बारे में बात करें तो पूरे दिन if I share the intraday chart, 15-minute chart, it has traded in a range of 100 points, wherein 23,820 is the lowest point that it has reached and 23,920 is the highest point it has reached post the opening tick. So एक range bound session है 100 points in almost 24,000 index is like 0.4% का range पूरे दिन में, but हमारा bias positive है because the weekly expiry weekly VWAP is 23,800 and we are trading almost 70-80 points above the weekly VWAP. And the range that we are working with, I always share the range जो हमारा last hour के लिए है, तो वो range रहेगा नीचे में 23,820 and ऊपर में 23,900. So एक 60-70 point का एक जो range है that we'll try to capitalize in the last hour of trade, wherein we'll try to find the expiry play trade. तो ऊपर से थोड़ा सा corrective move आया है, तो जो call हमारे radar पर है फिलहाल is call ही है because from the morning we have seen and we have played the call side view. So FINNifty का 23,800 का कॉल हमारे रडार पर है जिसका I'll share the chart. We are going in the money mainly because that we don't want to get hurt with the time decay factor. तो सुबह से it has not broken 60 but थोड़ा सा 60 के नीचे आया है, but नीचे में 45 and 40 are a good support zone. So but थोड़ा सा ऊपर से sharp downtick आया है and निफ्टी में थोड़ा सा और corrective move आया है, तो we'll wait for few minutes to see how it reacts to this fall and it absorbs or not. So but the range that we are working with on FINNifty is 23,820 से 23,880-890. So the call हमारे radar पर है that is 23,800 call जो फिलहाल market price is 48 to 50. So I think अगर trade setup बनता है तो we'll definitely execute, or what we can do is the current market price is 50.54 and 50.51. So what we can do is we can initiate a buy at CMP, that is 50.51, keeping a stop of 30 and look for 70-75 on the higher side. So 23,800 का call option है, we'll buy at CMP, that is 50.51, keeping a stop of 30 and look for 75-80 on the higher side. So as we have gone straight to the trade and we're not wasting much time on it. I hope I'm audible, right, Anuj?
Yes, sir, you are audible, and we have taken up the trade and shared with everyone. 23,800 call, buying near the current market price, that is between 50 to 53. What
yes.
we shared. Stop loss will be 30, and the target is 70, and the second target would be 75.
Yes, 70-75. 20-25 points का एक swing that we are working with. So I think 23,820 it is holding. So till the time 23,820 is holding, we'll be in the trade. अगर spot में अगर वो level break करता है तो we'll definitely update on the same. As of now, we have asked to buy 23,800 call, which is in the money. So एक time decay का factor won't hurt you, and it is at a reasonable risk reward levels. Because for me, risk reward is more important in any trade setup that I work with. So I think it is at a reasonable level, and the stop to target ratio is also decent. So I think one can look into it. Spot level में 23,820 मैं closely watch करूँगा. अगर वो break करेगा तो I'll definitely update and intervene the trade. As of now, the trade is active. ऊपर में 55-57 होके आया है 50 का लेवल से. So I think getting the feeds won't be a problem in this trade. The only in stock, there is two stocks, two private banks, majorly bank HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are holding their fort for the bulls. और बजाज ट्विंस है वो थोड़ा से साइडवेज टू नेगेटिव है, तो विच इज वाई एक मिक्स्ड सेटअप है in the FINNifty. But because HDFC and ICICI Bank has a higher weightage in the index, which is why we are playing on the call side, and it is also above the weekly VWAP which we also track. So VWAP से नजदीक है, ऊपर है, which is why we are going on the call side in the morning. From the morning we have been on the call side, so which is why we are playing the same. भी चल रहा है 46 46 47 45 46 है अभी. The spot is 23,840, so 820 I'll keep a close eye on. अगर 820 break करता है तो we'll definitely intervene and try to exit the trade. 820 जब तक नहीं break कर रहा है तब तक we'll definitely be on the call side.
So meanwhile, the trade is live. Do we have any BTST for the day?
I'll check any BTST. Let me check. So Devyani is one stock. So Devyani, I'll just quickly. I think Devyani is one stock which is looking good for BTST candidate. I think the CMP is 1. We can keep a stop of 175 and target of 190 on the higher side. So Devyani International is one BTST that we can look at, and it is a good setup on a daily scale. नीचे से support based buying continue रही है, and we can buy at CMP keeping a stop of 175 and look for 190 on the higher side. So it's a good BTST trade. One can look into that.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. So coming back to the FINNifty, I think I'll share the FINNifty chart. 820 के पास आया है, and the option that we have given is at 35.36, which is like 12-13 points lower from our buy price, but our stop is not hit, more importantly, and the index is holding 23,820 out from the lower side. So I think 820 is the level that I'm working with. अगर 820 break करेगा तो I'll definitely ask everyone to close the position. But 820 नहीं break किया है, and it has found support near that, exactly that level. So as of now, our trade is open and market price is 42.43. It's like 8 points lower than our buy price, but our stop is not hit. We'll maintain our stop at 30. If the stop gets hit, please do exit. Don't hold in hope. But the index is holding 23,820, which is a good sign. So I've shared BTST as well, Devyani International. We can buy at CMP 175K stocks here, look for 190 on the higher side.
Guys, we are not taking any stock queries right now because our trade is live and we are tracking that. Although we have shared BTST.
Yeah, BTST we have shared. I think Devyani International can buy CMP, which is 180, 181, with a 5 rupee stop, 175, and look for 190 on the higher side. So 1:2 is the ratio that we are working with. So our option is back at cost near 50 odd level, 49, 48, 49. The index has supported and held the level of 23,820. 820 को respect किया है. So I think 820 जब तक hold है तब तक our trade is good, and our stop is also not hit. So I think So back to our cost 49.50. $53 हुआ है थोड़ा सा और slightly in the money. $55, $56. I think.
So we have some questions. I just joined the session. Can we enter right now?
I think 50, 51 is our buy price. So
correct. Guys, you can enter as it is near our buying price.
Yes, but look for 15 to 20 point swing. That is what we are working with as of now.
Satish Mishra ji bought at 38 and sold at 55. Congratulations for your profits. And it's great कि expert analysis के ऊपर से you guys are doing your own analysis. Abhishek ji bought at 48 and took a profit of 500.
Great. So 55 हुआ है वापस. The whole day the index has been in a range of 100 points, so that is the major problem. And before we started, this option was quoting at 80-90 odd levels. So वहां से एक अच्छा corrective move आया था. अभी 57 हुआ है option का price. So I think from our price 7-8 points का uptick है. 56, 57. So there's no major thrust in this. It's just that थोड़ा सा नीचे से support base एक move आया है. So what we can do is we'll revise our stop to 40 and hold to our position so that we don't lose more than 10 points now. Major thrust नहीं है in the option, so it's advisable that you keep churning them. But 820 नीचे में hold किया है तो. And ever since we entered the trade, the maximum it has gone is 59. So only 9 points from our price. That is the maximum it has gone.
Guys, the stop loss has changed to 40 to reduce our risk and losses.
Yes.
So FINNifty 23,800 call, buying 50 to 55, stop loss 40, target 70 to 75.
Yeah. And also we have shared a BTST. So I think BTST, Devyani also you can look into it. The main thing is BankNifty के banking stocks दो तीन जो है वो private major banks are holding afloat, but IT and थोड़ा सा auto में थोड़ा सा selling pressure की वजह से Nifty is a bit lower, almost 80-90 points lower है Nifty, wherein and BankNifty is up by 60-70 points. So relative outperformance है, but I think FINNifty में ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank are holding afloat, and that is the only reason why BankNifty and FINNifty is holding well. And more importantly, it is about the weekly VWAP. So VWAP, that is a main thing that we work with. So VWAP के ऊपर trade कर रहा है तो our bias is slightly positive. Although the index has been trading in a range of 100 points for the whole day, and ऊपर से थोड़ा सा corrective move आया था तो we got a good risk reward entry point. So we are holding as of now 23,800 call option. We have revised the stop and we're looking at 65 to 70 on the higher side. And a BTST also we have shared, which is Devyani. Option price hardly 5 points भी नहीं move कर रहा है. From last 5 minutes, 5 minutes, either 48 and 53, 55. So 5-6 points ka hi range is quite squeezed, the range. And 23,900 k, if I look at the quantitatives, 23,900 ka call writing काफी बढ़ गया है, तो I think the upside is capped. So one more BTST is we can share is CESE. I'll share the chart. एक relatively outperforming stock है. I share the chart and levels as well. You can buy at CMP, which is 190.92, and keeping a stop of 185. Look for 202 on the higher side. So Devyani I have shared, and this is a second BTST that we are working with. You can buy CESC as a BTST, that CMP, keep a stop of 185 and look for 202 on the higher side. So those stock ideas, which are BTST, we have shared, and the option trade, which is open, which is 2-3 points lower than our buying price. Currently 46.47 hai. I think 820 is my level, 23, 820 uske upar hai, tab tak my comfort is there in the trade. If it breaks, then I think it can do anything. So back to 52, the option. $53, $54. So ये 6-7 पॉइंट का ही मूव है जो ट्रेड देख रहा है और ट्रैक भी कर रहा है. तो 47 आता है, 55, 57. So 5 to 7 points का ही एक swing है. We cannot help because the range is so skewed. 2800. So 58 हुआ है अभी, एक हफ्ते का है. 58, 59, 62 हुआ है. I think 63, 63. I think 13 points का एक swing आया है. So I think that is the most I think we'll get this time around. 12 point का एक swing है. I don't think you'll get more than that. 67 हुआ है. I think I will advise everyone to exit their position. I think 69, 70.
So I guess our first target hit हो गया almost.
So that would be the only target we are working with. So I think officially one should exit your position now.
Guys, please book and exit your positions. Please book your profits.
Yes.
हमारा first target was 70 and it made a high of 69.89.
I'll just check what the high it made. Yeah, 69.85. So I think no worries, but okay.
Guys, please book your profits and exit the trade.
Officially, so we have asked everyone to exit. And we have shared
67, earned 1700, 7000, 1000. Congratulations everyone for the profit, guys.
Great, great. And we have also shared two BTST, Devyani International and CESC. So I think they can look into that as well. I think we have few minutes. We can take few queries if we have. So
Satish ji took another trade, 44 पे 69 पे sell किया 44. So that's great. काफी लोगों ने profit book किया 10,000, 19,000, 3,000. That's great. Congratulations, guys. We have officially closed our trade and हमने सुबह के session and afternoon session दोनों में profits book किए. We have shared two BTSTs. So please ensure कि you track that. हमने already share किया है, हमने already pin भी किया है. And let me just scroll up to the top. So Zomato 125 पे buy है 1000 quantity, hold or sell?
125 पे.
हाँ.
You should hold on to his position. I think अगर 2-3 साल का view है तो he should definitely hold on to his position. I think there is no worry in holding Zomato. You can see at least 350, 400 going forward.
So next we have Reliance.
So Reliance कल result था थोड़ा सा okay-ish था, but थोड़ा सा corrective move है in Reliance, which is why mainly Nifty is down by almost 80-90 points because Reliance is down by 2%. तो नीचे में I think 2650 and 2600 एक support है. थोड़ा सा breakdown तो हुआ है आज stock में. तो तो 2650 एक सपोर्ट है, 2600 सपोर्ट है, तो जब तक वो होल्ड कर रहा है तब तक गुड. Otherwise, I think there's more corrective move we can expect near 2600, 2620. So एक 2650 का एक सपोर्ट है, अगर वो ब्रेक करता है तो 2600 भी आ सकता है.
सर बॉम्बे टाइम पर व्यू दे दीजिए. मैंने 235 पर आज बाई किया है.
$235 पे हो. आज ऊपर से थोड़ा सा एक रिवर्सल तो नहीं, बट थोड़ा सा सेलिंग है, बट स्टॉक इज इन एन अप ट्रेंड, तो वरी तो नहीं है. बट नीचे में 225 एंड 220 इज अ गुड सपोर्ट. जब तक 220 के ऊपर है तब तक आई थिंक एक दो दिन में वापस 240 के आसपास आ सकते हैं स्टॉक. तो 220 जब तक होल्ड करे तब तक ऊपर में वापस 240 245 आ सकता है स्टॉक. कल अच्छा मूव आया है, लेकिन वहां से आज ऑलमोस्ट 4% का करेक्टिव मूव है, तो इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग कल क्या होता है. आई थिंक 220 जब तक होल्ड करे तब तक यू शुड होल्ड ऑन टू योर पोजीशन.
23820 is a strong support. Great observation by Nikon sir, and also exiting at 69 was also a great call, not waiting for 70, क्योंकि उसके बाद में it made a low of 40. जिन लोगों ने फिर I know कि हम stocks में busy हो गए, but I have the chart open next to me, so I was just tracking it. That was a great call कि 69.985 के बाद में it made a low of 38. It's again back to 38.
Yeah.
Sir, your view on IDFC?
IDFC first or bank?
IDFC first, sorry.
First, okay. So IDFC, as I think we keep getting this, it's a very narrow band. बहुत consolidative move है. नीचे में 71 होता है, ऊपर में 75, 76. So ये range में ही trade कर रहा है. So I think एक box trade है, तो where we can buy at near 70, keeping a stop of 2% and look for 75. So I think this is a mean reverting trade you can do in IDFC and keep churning your position. But ऐसा कोई major breakout नहीं है. Breakout will come above 75, 77, 78 only. So support है 70 का, 68 का. 70 के आसपास आता है तो you can buy, look for 73, 74 in 3-4 days. So I think you can do this mean reverting trade in IDFC first.
Sir, your view on BHEL?
So BHL नीचे से एक रिवर्सल आया था, 250 260 होल्ड किया था, वहां से 3-4 दिन का एक कंसोलिडेशन है. तो ब्रेकआउट विल ओनली कम अबाउट 275 277, बट एंड नियर टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग पर से सपोर्ट है 260 265 का. एंड 262 के स्टॉप से होल्ड करना चाहिए. यू कैन लुक फॉर 280 ऑन द हायर साइड इन BHL.
Sir, Zensar Tech at 721.
Zensar Tech at
721.
721. Okay, it's almost a higher price, but it is holding the 20-day exponential moving average. कल उसके ऊपर काफी दिनों बाद उसके ऊपर क्लोज आया था, आज वापस वहां से सपोर्ट ले रहा है. तो आई थिंक 700 और 695 के स्टॉप से होल्ड कीजिए. लुक फॉर 740 45 on the higher side.
So guys, that will be all for the day. We did try our best and we captured roughly 20 points, like being on the 19 points we captured. So thanks a lot everyone for joining in. Thank you Nikon sir for being very patient and sharing your analysis and explaining कि हम क्यों wait कर रहे हैं, trailing stop loss, and आप सब देख पा रहे होंगे it made a high of 69.85 जहाँ हमने exit बोला, now it is at 27. That was a good call, not waiting for that point 15 and waiting for our initial target. So that's a lot. That's all for the Tuesday, thrilling Tuesday, and our morning and afternoon both the sessions were profitable. Hope we'll make some good profits tomorrow as well. Thank you everyone. Thank you Nikon sir.
Thank you.